In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel order using your Just Eat application. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so if you've put in an order and you've changed your mind, we can go ahead and cancel it. Now, you want to try and do this as soon as you can because you don't want that order to be sent through to the restaurant and they've made the food and it's going to be on their way to deliver. So that's going to be a different story. But if it's pretty early on, the best way to do it is to open up your Just Eat apps, go to Orders tab, and then from here, find that order and then simply go ahead and click onto cancel if the option is available. And then basically follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the cancellation. You should get an immediate cancellation confirmation if the app is in the app, if it succeeds. If there's no cancel order option, that basically means the restaurant has likely accepted your order and started preparing it. Now, cancellation through the app is usually no longer available at that point in time. Now, if you've got an order that's you just put through or you're trying to put through, we can go ahead and view our basket. So as you can see, I've got this order here. Now basically, if I want to cancel this, I can just simply click on clear this order, and then that's going to delete that order as well.